L11, we're going to see if a matrix is invertible. This is probably going to be one of the easiest lessons that you will do. And to be at this right here is the rule. So even if you forget what to do, everything right here is basically all you need to know. We're going to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 and in a little bit of 3 by 3. And if you get 0 as the answer for the determinant, the matrix is not going to be invertible. And if you get anything other than 0, whether it be positive or negative, the answer is going to be yes, it is invertible. So we're going to scroll down and we are going to find the determinant, and we're going to do 3 times 6 minus 0 times 0, which is 18, minus 0, which is 18. This is not 0, so yes, it is invertible. 5 times 0 is 0, minus 0 times 2 is 0, 0, so the answer was 0. So, or the determinant is 0, so the answer is no, it is not invertible. And we're going to be using this stuff, this information, on L12. So we're just kind of doing it step by step on this one. So then we're going to scroll down just to make sure we understand what's going on. So that, multiply those together, you get negative 12. We're going to subtract, and 2 times negative 2 is a negative 4, which makes it positive, and then we have a negative 8. Since it's not 0, yes, it is invertible. Positive 21 minus 21 is 0, so it is no. And now we have to figure out or remember how to do a 3 by 3 determinant. And so we have to, oops, it's not writing. Then we are going to rewrite the first 2 columns. And diagonal, diagonal, and diagonal. All of those diagonals have zeros in them, so whenever I am multiplying them, I'm going to get 0 on all 3 of them. And then diagonal, diagonal, diagonal. All 3 of those have zeros in them, so whenever I'm multiplying, I get 0. So basically, this determinant is 0, and since I got 0, the answer is no. Rewrite the first 2 columns. This one, and this one. So we are going to get 0. Then I'm going to get a calculator out. Well, no, that'd be negative 160. And 3296, I think. 8 times 4 times 3, 96. We'll do that math in just a little bit. And now we're going to switch directions. We're going to do these 3. And not even going to try that. 56 times negative 2, negative 112. 0 and 32, 320. And then we're going to do negative 160 plus 96 is negative 64 minus negative 112 plus 320 is 208. And I don't really need to finish this up because obviously it's not going to be 0, so the answer is going to be yes. But we'll finish it up and put those together and get negative 272. Since it's not 0, then the answer is going to be yes. Okay, there you go. That's it.